Good morning, good afternoon. I think it might be the afternoon now. I'm in London, standard. I've just stayed over at Lee's place and I'm just waiting for the bus to go back into Central now to meet up back up with Kirsty. Quick recap of yesterday because I didn't really vlog much. So I went to the cat cafe with Kirsty. Tried to get in at about 1 o'clock and then didn't get until about 3 I think we managed to get in. It was cute, it wasn't what I was expected. Like I think I hyped up in my mind a lot more than it was. But yeah, it was really cute, like to play with some of the cats and things like that. And then what did we do after that? We met up with Lee for dinner. After that, we went to see Kinky Boots. Kirsty and I had day sat in the morning, so we had front row tickets for Kinky Boots. And I've got only like Snapchats from what we did in the day, so I'll insert some clips of the cat cafe and then my Snapchats of Kinky Boots so you can see the view and things like that. But oh, it was amazing, it was incredible. Still, I'm not going to blog until press night, but I'll insert the blog when I do write it, and I will put the link to the video from when I saw Kinky Boots' first preview as well, so if you'd like to watch that, you can. Can't decide whether I want to stand up or sit down whilst waiting for the bus. I'm meeting Kirsty in Covent Garden and then we're going to make some Magnum ice creams and then we're going to Harry Potter Studios tonight, which I'm so excited about. Hello YouTube, I'm with Kirsty. Yay! We're at the Magnum shop in Covent Garden at the moment and we're going to make ice creams. What did you have the other day, Kirsty?
I had this with this and this.
And how did you rate it?
It was nice.
I think I had brownie, coconut and coffee.
Oh,
But honeycomb, so maybe honeycomb. Oh, I don't know. There's a lot going on. Sea salt would make it like salted caramelly, wouldn't it?
yeah.
It's chocolate for me, please.
Need chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah. I think of it as
Raspberry's really nice. I'm just a chocolate feed. They're on camera, don't mess it up. Oh, it looks so good. YouTube will love that. these are just a few of the ways that I myself manage to get to the theatre so often and how I make it a little bit more affordable. Going to the theatre is not the cheapest hobby, but it's one that I really love.